Hey James, how you doing? All right, let's jump over to your work. Okay, good job on your written rationale. I think, yeah, that's a good job. Good job on your written. And let's go ahead and take a look at your sketches first. Now, I think your sketches, I think, honestly, I think your sketches are underdeveloped. I do. I think that you've got this idea of going on a diagonal and kind of interlocking the type, and it seems like you're stuck on that particular concept as we see it four times here. Here's this kind of interlocking diehard, and then this diagonal meeting that other diagonal, converging at one point, and we have these diagonals here, and then we have kind of this kind of checkerboard theme again here. So I would have liked to have seen a little bit more experimentation here. Let's jump right to the work. I think the work is I don't think there's enough here. Now, don't forget, it's a typed specimen sheet. So the idea here is that you create your typed specimen sheet to kind of showcase your typeface and show its versatility and show all the features of it, right? So, but what we don't have here, we don't have the alphabet, we don't have your numeric set, a character set, we don't have your punctuation, and we only have three words that are really typeset other than the title, right? So this is pretty good up here, but I'd like to see more of this. Okay, I definitely want to see more of that. And let me just show you an example. I mean, you can even really, I mean, it's difficult to typeset a paragraph when you're putting one letter in at a time, as we're forced to do, since this is not a full-blown type font yet, right? So I think that try to include some other characters. Here's some examples here. These are in the announcements area. Welcome to Milestone 4. I don't know if you've seen these or not yet or not, but see, we got uppercase. Then we've got the uppercase again at a lower, a smaller size, and then we just got the same uppercase that's shown at various sizes, and that's fantastic. You got your character set here, you got your punctuation over here, you've got some typeset here. So there's a lot of different things going on here showing the versatility of the typeface itself, right? We can't really say that here because all we have are the words that are set in title case, meaning that the first letter is capitalized. We don't have a chance. You're not showing your full alphabet in uppercase. You're not showing your lowercase. You're not showing your numeric character set. You're not showing your punctuation. So what I would recommend is getting that in there. Definitely get that in there and really start to think about how you can show different letter combinations and really show the versatility of the typeface with the intent of having a designer look at it and saying to themselves, hey, I can use this for a project. Okay. And those are my recommendations. If you have any questions, I just want to jump in here real quick. You've got some inconsistencies here too. These will all have to be cleaned up. See that little bump right there, that little bump there. I thought I saw, yeah, here's in the S. Got some areas right around there. So you definitely want to clean those up. Definitely. You can see it right there, right here in the R. So these letter forms really, really need to be cleaned up. Now, one thing that you could do is really, depending on your skills with the pen tool, is just take these letter forms, place them in Illustrator, and take your pen tool and just really go over these so that they're one solid object as opposed to a number of different elements being combined to create the letter form. Does that make sense? Of course, you'd have to use Pathfinder to cut the hole in the middle for the closed counters of a lot of the letter forms, but so be it, right? It's really easy to do. I know you know how to use Illustrator, so I would consider that. But for the task at hand right now, just really think about what I've said in the actual type poster itself. I'm going to jump over here real quick. Okay, I'm just gonna. There's no reason for you to sit here and while I do this, I have to look something up really quick, so I'm just gonna put this on hold real quick. Sorry about that. I was just looking at this. I see you've got a square format here for the specimen sheet, and I just want to let you know the square formats are really, really difficult to design. I would recommend going some sort of a rectangle, either with a vertical or a horizontal orientation. That doesn't really matter, but definitely. Square. I mean, you can stay with the square if you'd like, but square picture plane is pretty difficult to compose, and compose your work on. So just wanted to mention that. But if you're liking this, you want to stick with the square format, I'm fine with that. All right, good job. So let's go ahead and make those changes. Any questions at all, please let me know. Thank you.